death toll from a strand of coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, in mainland China has passed 1,523 and infected more than 66,000 people globally after health authorities reported another 143 deaths early on Saturday morning as per media reports. The Indian Embassy in Japan today said it is making efforts to disembark all the Indians on board the cruise ship moored off the Japanese coast after the end of the quarantine period, as authorities confirmed that 218 people, including 3 Indians, have been infected with coronavirus on the ship. A total of 138 Indians, including 132 crew and 6 passengers, were among the 3,711 people on board the quarantined ship that arrived at the Japanese coast earlier this month. The US State Department will evacuate some American citizens and their families aboard the Diamond Princess cruise ship, the biggest cluster of coronavirus infections outside China, a reliable source informed yesterday. About 380 people will be evacuated on 2 flights from Japan back to the United States. Laishram Anand, aged 22 years, of Hairokpa Tumaya Lekai, who was involved in the attempted rape and assault of a 46-year-old woman on 3rd of February at Charangpat of Thoubal district, has been remanded to judicial custody by the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Thoubal yesterday. A team of More Commando recovered 10,000 pieces of WY tablet from a passenger recall van at K. Jomunom near Kudeng Thabi along the Imphal-More highway during a routine checking around 4 p.m, a police report said today. A combined team of Thoubal District Police, Thoubal Commando and Lilong Police seized 420 illegal cough syrup bottles from a house located at Lilong Turel Ahanbi, Boroi Mokong during a raid last night. However, the alleged drug peddler Mohammed Jakir, aged about 22 years, son of Mohammed Sanayai, managed to escape, taking advantage of the darkness, according to a police report. A team comprising of Nambol MLA and Lokan, Director of Directorate Education as T.S. Kiran Kumar, JDO Bishnupur and Tikendra Zit, Laimapopam Jilla Parishad member LGTN Maite, along with office bearers of School Management Committee, today inspected Laimapopam Public High School. The state government has selected the school for School Fakalansi Mission. Under the aegis of District Administration, Thoubal and Ministry of Women and Child Development, the Rising Union Club and Popular Youth Club Khangabok jointly organized an awareness program on one-stop center at the Khangabok Patri Makhalekai Community Hall today. The new Incarnation Drug De-Addiction cum Rehabilitation Center at Kalinagar in Jiribam's district was founded under the registered voluntary agency Youth Development Organization at Sagolban Tera Bazaar on March 1, 2002. Project coordinator of IRCA S. Jiten Singh told TOMTV that it is very unfortunate that the state failed to formulate a drug policy till date. He said the neighboring state of Mizoram has a state drug policy. Indigenous Martial Arts Academy under the aegis of Apunba Manipur Huyen Lalong Lop kick-started a traditional Thangta training program at Institute of Rural Education IRE Wangjing yesterday. Manchester City have been banned from the Champions League in 2020-21 and 2021-22 by the UEFA for serious breaches of financial regulations. As per media reports, the English Premier League champions have also been fined €30 million by UEFA over serious breaches of financial fair play regulations. UEFA's club financial control body found Manchester City guilty of falsely inflating sponsorship revenue when submitting evidence for the FFP compliance process.